Hey everybody, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're heading to Disney's Animal Kingdom to experience the magic of Expedition Everest. This is one of my favorite roller coasters in the Disney parks, but I'm gonna let the ride speak for itself, so sit back, hold on tight, and enjoy the POV. Roll back. Thank you so much for riding along with us. If you're ready to experience this magic in person, which I highly recommend, be sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link right down below. And if you love this look at the rides, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your Disney friends.